I've been in the UAE for about 13 years, married with 3 daughters. We live a very simple life. My dad and mom started a hawker store in Singapore in 1992. I was barely 10 years old. I was dragged down to the shop to help. So that's where it begins. And today I'm chef, co-owner of Otoro and Goldfish Restaurant in Abu Dhabi, and it feels home. I'm Chef Akmal Anuar, and let me show you my Abu Dhabi. Alcara is one of my favorite location or neighborhood because it gives you a sense of tranquility. So I like restaurants by the water. You see the boats pass by, and Otoro opened in 2022. We are a seafood restaurant, Japanese restaurant. So this connects, you see. When we opened, it was just something else. You know, the best quick bite here in Abu Dhabi is Antonia Mamsha Al Sadiat. It's a total different vibe there. You know, the museums are there, the apartment is just so beautiful, blue water, white sand. Amazing, so cool.
50-year-old sourdough from my grandmother Antonia, slow-proofed 48 hours, our own blend of flours from Italy, and that's it.
So I've been here.
Yeah.
This is something very special. I think it's very nice.
You can bag for it then.
Oh wow. This looks incredible.
Look at the bubbles.
Really? Really good.
Right?
Oh, well done, chef.
Pleasure.
Crispy, moisture, the taste. We have the sea bream?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, you debone all the...
Yeah, we debone it already. We make it easy. When you go to a restaurant, you want to relax. You don't want to, right? At least that's my philosophy.
When I first came to Abu Dhabi in 2013, we went to the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, an iconic landmark in Abu Dhabi. If I have family coming to Abu Dhabi, this is where they want to go. Just the building, the architecture is just stunning. It's majestic. It gives you a sense of peace. Just the interior, the carpet, the chandelier, it's just mind-boggling. You know, how did they hang that thing up there? So it's something you want to have people come to Abu Dhabi and see. My preferred chill restaurant in Abu Dhabi is Sushi Samba. I like to go there with friends and family. We order shared dishes, ceviches, picuchos, fresh seafood, and then just chill, you know, just by the water, great music, shake your shoulder a little bit here and there. So yeah, always a vibe. This is the Sibas Anticucho, smoked with rosemary. Soft, it's sweet, full of umami, very delicious too. Try some beef. A lot of flavors, explosive. Sauce is spicy, has power to it. So I think that's why they call it sushi samba. You do samba in the mouth. Japanese donuts with andagi. Yeah, a good way to end your meal. You know, nice dessert. Great place to chill. This is where I come with my friends and family. My favorite place to go in Abu Dhabi with the family is SeaWorld. The animals are right in front of your face. Yeah, my kids love it. And this is what we do during our free time. So SeaWorld is the place to be. So my favorite spot for a special occasion is Emirates Palace, Mandarin Oriental in Abu Dhabi, is Straw Fire. An amazing restaurant by a very highly regarded chef from Australia, Ross Shannon. Just look at what he has prepared. We have spaghetti with mentaiko, tuna tataki, prawn toast with katsuobushi, their signature sauces. And this guy on my back is preparing the tsutomaki, got nori, got very high quality tuna. Looks incredible. Straw Fire features a very unique cooking technique. They use hay, a Japanese technique of warayaki. They cook the beef or other ingredients above hay just to give strong heat, and that smoke of the hay gives you this outstanding taste. Not many restaurants can afford having Japanese A5 Wagyu on the menu. It's a luxury. It's a unique product from Japan. And to have it in your restaurant, cook over straw fire, present it nicely like that, this is such an honor. They prepared shisho chimichurri, which I think is very unique, very Japanese too. Chimichurri is very Argentinian and they've added shisho to it. So that Japanese touch. Incredible. What a meal. Just good to spend such a lovely time with someone you love, great friends. Straw fire is the place. My 3 words to describe Abu Dhabi is authentic, take your time, this is next.